Dudek was founded here in Southern California in 1980. We're an environmental services firm. We have a broad range of services, 20 different practices. We now have over 600 employees in 15 offices across the West Coast and in Hawaii. And we've just been experiencing accelerated growth these last few years.
So at Dudek, our goal as a firm really is to work smarter and not harder. It's one thing to fly the drones and to actually acquire the information. It's a whole nother ballgame when it comes to processing that. That's where Workspot has really allowed us to innovate and really become a leader in the industry, because processes that would take us in the beginning using our homegrown solutions would take us several days. Once we implemented the solution, it was several hours.
Prior to Workspot on Azure, we were winning work faster than we could process the job, so we actually had to throttle back. We literally had high-end engineers waiting for jobs to finish before they could start the next job. The Dudek management team, they had seen that IT was what was causing them to not be able to go out and win this work. They were looking to IT for a solution. So with Workspot, now we're able to process jobs in parallel. We're able to take that 3, 4, 5 days down to multiple jobs being done in one day.
We were able to actually think differently and say, well, if we can do it that fast, we can explore different solutions for our clients, because we don't have those limitations in terms of technology.
The technology has shifted from being the bottleneck to being the enabler, and in fact is now our competitive advantage.
What we initially estimated as our savings was about $80,000 per year. We've come to realize those savings, not only in terms of operational fixed costs, software, hardware, but also when you look at the efficiency of our staff.
Our head of our GIS, he's just seeing his team be much more effective, much more productive.
And as a business manager, it's fantastic. Someone that was sitting at a machine crunching data for multiple hours, in some cases multiple days, is now crunching multiple instances at the same time. That's going much faster and allowing us to pass those savings along to our clients.
With the workstations running on Workspot and Azure, we have a lot more flexibility with the devices we're handing out to our end users. We used to have to spec out these high-end mobile workstations. Now we're able to go with a more cost-effective device, a solid piece of hardware, something like the Surface Go.
By providing the tools for our employees to work remotely, someone can be sitting at their kitchen. You can open up a machine and have the computing power and have the ability to function as if you were sitting next to the most powerful machine in the company. And for us, that's a huge advantage, because we can hire folks that live in a location where we may not have an office. They're the best employee for that job, but we can provide them with the tools to allow us to function and serve our clients effectively. Then all of a sudden we've unlocked a new market of talent.
So with the shift from running an on-premise data center to more cloud-based services, the IT staff has a shift in mindset as well. So it has moved from more solving technical problems with servers and storage, and now it's more focusing on what are the needs of our end users and our clients. So now we're able to have discussions about what are your pain points and how can we make you more effective, more efficient.
We've been able to grow our business by 300% and still accommodate that growth with the existing staff. What's allowing that to occur is the fact that we can run these processes in parallel, which really provides us with a super strength, so to speak, to serve our clients' needs.